morning everyone. My name is Shraddha Olympiad. I am from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Monday and today's date is 3rd February 2025. Thank you.
A very fresh morning to one and all. This is Bharat Kaur from 6B standing here to tell today's thought for the day. The thought is, you don't need to be a genius or a visionary or a college graduate to be successful. You only need a framework and a dream. Thank you. This is from grade 6. I am Aradha from grade 6. My name is Purvi Almani from grade 6. This is Gargi from grade 6. We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. We are going to look toward the biography of Michael Dell. But I was wondering, who is Michael Dell? Michael Dell is the founder and CEO of Dell Technologies, one of the world's largest technology companies. He was born on 1965 in Houston, Texas. He is known for revolutionizing the personal-owned computer industry. Now, I am going to share some piece of information about his early life and education. He started his business when he was just 15 years old, selling magazine subscriptions. Additionally, he attended the University of Texas, but dropped out to his pursuit for passion of computers. Now, talking about Michael Dell's success. Dell's direct-to-customer business model made it very successful, allowing people to get computers to their needs at lower prices. By early 1990s, today Dell is one of the topmost companies in computer. There were various challenges faced by him, such as in early 2000s, there was a tough competition in companies like HP and Apple. Also, Michael Dell stepped down as CEO in 2004, but returned in 2007 to guide the company through tough times. Last but not the least, the legacy of Michael Dell has built one of the most successful companies in the world. Today, Dell Technologies is a global leader in technology and innovation. We from Shraddha